Hello everyone. On the other day, I made a video about hope, and as I told you in that video, in some languages, hope and wish are similar, but in English, hope and wish are different. I already talked about hope in that video, so if you missed it, kindly watch it first. So, hope is for something that we believe is possible, and wish is for something that we think may be not possible. It's not probably going to happen. There are different ways that we can use wish, but today in this video, I'm going to talk only about two most common ways that we use wish. The first way is that wish plus past tense. For example, if I want a dog, but I cannot have a dog in this apartment, I say, I wish I had a dog. I want a dog, but I don't have a dog. So, wish plus past form of the verb. Have is the verb and had is the past form of the verb. So, I wish I had a dog. That means I don't have a dog, but I want a dog, and I don't think I will be able to get a dog. Or if I am short and I want to be tall, that is not possible. I wish I were taller. Usually, when we use past tense for I, we say I was. But when we are thinking about an unreal situation in our imagination, we say I were. But you can also use I was. That's fine. But traditionally, it has been more correct to say I were when we are thinking about an unreal situation. But in modern English, not so many people know this. Sometimes people say I was, sometimes people say I were. But I say I were because I am an English teacher. But if you want to, you can say I was or I were. I wish I was taller or I wish I were taller. Second way, we can also use I wish someone would do something. We usually use this one when we are annoyed with another person. You always do this. I don't like it. I don't want you to do this anymore. But I know you will probably continue doing it. I know you will probably continue annoying me. For example, I wish you would stop that. It means I don't like this. I want you to stop it. But I know you will probably not stop it. You will continue doing it again and again. And you will continue annoying me. Another example, I wish she would drive slower. It means she drives very fast. It annoys me. But I don't think that she is going to slow down anytime soon. So, when we are annoyed, or when we are frustrated, or when we are upset with something that another person is doing, we can say, I wish that person would, then verb. Okay, I wish you would stop it. I wish she would drive slower. I wish he would be honest with me. Yes, that's fine. So we use this for other people, but we do not use this about ourselves. When we want something for ourselves, we can say I wish plus past tense, past form of the verb. I wish I had a dog. I wish I were taller. I wish I could swim.